Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for anyone who loves DIY projects or needs to hang items securely in their home. We found this product online and have added the link in the description below, so you can easily check its latest price and availability. Introducing the Cimple CO ribbed wall anchors and screws set. This versatile kit comes with 50 ribbed wall anchors and 50 screws, making it a must-have for a variety of mounting applications. Each anchor is designed to support #10-12 screws, and they measure 1 inch in length, while the screws are number 10 and measure 1¼ inches. One of the standout features of this product is its multifunctionality. Whether you're working with drywall, stucco, concrete, brick, or other similar materials, these anchors are engineered to provide a robust and secure hold. The solid construction of the screws is another highlight. They are precision machined from corrosion-protected metals, ensuring durability and a reliable connection over time. What really sets these ribbed drywall anchors apart is their thoughtful design. The ribbed structure allows for a better grip within the wall material compared to non-ribbed options, giving you extra peace of mind when hanging heavier items. This means you can confidently mount shelves, picture frames, or even larger decorative items without worrying about them falling down. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a homeowner looking to do some renovations or simply hang up family photos, this set is perfect for you. Contractors and professional handymen will also find these anchors and screws invaluable for their projects. Even if you're a beginner in DIY, the clear instructions included will help you get the job done right. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Need to install a floating shelf in your living room? These anchors will ensure it stays put. How about mounting a heavy mirror in your hallway? The ribbed design provides the extra support needed for those heavier items. You can also use these anchors for outdoor projects,